Hey guys, welcome back to Living Lovely. My name is Kim, and today I get to do something that I've kind of been wanting to do for a while. I feel like I start all of my vlogs that way, but this is truly something I wanted to do, and that was a makeup tutorial. So today I'm going to try and follow one of my favorite YouTuber's channels, and that is Jackie Aina, and do one of her makeup tutorials. Alright, you guys are now close and personal. Oh my word, it's like zoomed in on my eye. Wow. What I'm going to actually go ahead and do is Jackie Aina's edgy, glittery eyes and vampy lip look. It is very, I can already tell this is about to be intense. Okay, so far she's done her primer and she snapped on her eyebrows, which I wish I could do that because my eyebrows be giving me trouble, y'all. So for my primer, I'm going to use Rimmel Stay Matte, which you cannot see. I have an e.l.f. like brow pencil that I got for like $2 at Target. But it does its job, y'all. Listen, that's the type of life that I live. Like if it does its job, it's good enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on. Look at this, like cousins. They're not even, there's, so I watched a YouTuber and one thing that she once said was, eyebrows should be like cousins. Or like some mess, like sisters, like fraternal twins or something like that. My eyebrows, yeah, I'm gonna be honest, they don't be even looking like they in the same family. Straight up looking like strangers on the street. So she went ahead and she went directly into priming her eyelids, which normally I do that after doing everything else, but okay. She used something by Kat Von D. I don't have that. I have the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. Junk, she is going. Ooh, she just. Oh, y'all, she cut creasing. Oh, Lord. Okay, let me hurry up. I'm playing around and she's talking about cutting creases. I have a 350 Nature's Glow palette. So I'm just gonna take a nice dark color, somewhat similar to the one that she has there, and apply that in my crease to get my cut, kind of like how she does. We're about done, I think. So she went in with the burnt orange shape, or shade inside a Jouer, I believe, palette that she has. I don't have that, so I'm gonna go in with this burnt orange shade that I have here inside of my Morphe palette. And she said that she just followed that line that's already there. Y'all, I don't know. This is getting this is a no-no. Oh Lord. So it seems as if she went in with a darker brown color right in this area here, and it's kind of darkening that up. So I'm gonna do the same, taking just another color from the palette. Why am I doing this? Child. Alright, she said that we going in with some black. So homegirl is now putting on some loose glitter, it looks like. I do not have any loose glitter, but thankfully I do have a palette that is based almost purely in glitter. So I'm going to go ahead in with one that looks similar. Hers is like a more of a glimmer with large flecks. I don't have that, but I do have some glimmer with some smaller flecks here in this False Frost, as well as I think I have one that's a little bit more yellow, which I might actually go with. So what I'm going to end up doing is actually going back in with some concealer to give me my cut crease back again, and then also to apply in that really pretty color, because right now, because of how my eyelid is super muddy, so I'm not going to get that effect that she has there because I don't have that. So I need to get the best possible look when it comes to that effect. Okay, so it looks like she is now going in with eyeliner. Oh, now she's finally going in and hitting up the skin work. One thing that I think I did miss while she was talking and while she did her eyelashes was mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Shake It Fresh Rimmel Very Black. This was discontinued for sure. I got it because it was $1, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. She's going in with blush next. Now I ain't got no blush, y'all. So what am I going to use? Some eyeshadow. Ooh, she about to have put on her cream highlighter. Homegirl don't got a cream highlighter. What I do got is a highlight popping shadow again. So I'm about to just dab that on the top of my forehead. Ooh, I just look ashy. I'm going to be using Avenue by ColourPop. Ooh, y'all know it's a little dry. Sensational. Y'all, I feel like I played Jackie with this look that I got going on right now. This is not cute. I don't know. No. Sorry, Jackie. Girl, you look cute in this video, but I don't look cute with this makeup on. And my little fake highlight got me looking ashy. Just looking crusty. Like I just been eating some powdered donuts crusty, but we tried it. We tried it. Follow us on all of our social media handles, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and make sure that you watch other Living Lovely Ladies videos. I hope my makeup didn't give you nightmares. Bye.